Further afield, CGTN is one of China's leading international broadcasters that uses cutting-edge technology and innovation to transform the way news is produced and shared. This state-of-the-art facility not only shapes China's voice on the global stage, but also offers valuable insights for broadcasters everywhere, including those in the Caribbean. Marlon Samuels reports.
CGTN, or China Global Television Network, is China's leading international broadcaster dedicated to sharing China's story with the world. What sets CGTN apart is its cutting-edge technology, using the latest broadcast innovation to deliver news seamlessly across multiple platforms.
Our media, AI can help us, first of all, greatly reduce our cost of doing things. Like we used to spend a lot of money on doing expensive animations, but today we can use one single prompt to output a very excellent quality of animations. So that's one big advantage. And also enhance and fasten our production speed. AI can help us to review our texts very quickly, and then also it can help us do the voiceovers in our pre-production era to help us to match the pictures and the texts. So those are the very simple usage of AI in daily news production or documentary production.
From ultra-high definition cameras to virtual studios and real-time digital editing, CGTN leverages the latest tech to provide viewers with high-quality, immersive content. They are also pioneers in multi-platform broadcasting, streaming live on TV, online, and social media, with a focus on accuracy and global perspective.
AI has been developing really fast in many fields, so we also want to bring it into journalism to boost efficiency and make our content more engaging. But the key is we must make sure the news stays true and accurate, so AI should not be used to create fakes. So for example, we use AI to help us transcribe videos and interviews, and even to make comics and animation videos to tell stories about Chinese culture, history, and mythology. Our hope is that AI can take our news reporting to the next level.
This blend of tradition and innovation helps CGTN inform, engage, and connect audiences worldwide, showcasing China's voice on the global stage. A visit to CGTN could possibly open doors for Caribbean broadcasters, offering opportunities to learn from their cutting-edge technology and innovative storytelling techniques.
Right now, especially for CGTN, we are in great need of stories from Caribbean area because we do not have enough reporters or coverage network there. So firsthand, we are in great need of Caribbean stories. If you have more stories on the ground, you can send it to us. We can negotiate a way to write it on CGTN. And the second thing is, I think we can cooperate. Like we can send a team to Caribbean area and we can work together on the ground. You can be our field producer, field director, and you can send your story to us, we can send a story to you. So that's the cooperation.
By collaborating or sharing expertise, Caribbean radio and television stations can enhance their broadcasts, reach wider audiences, and better tell their own stories, fostering stronger cultural connections and expanding their global presence. Reporting from CGTN, I'm Marlon Samuels for the news on PBCJ.